Here we are at Streetside. Open house.
What are you doing with the just assembled it and started doing the clearing the thing with with all back. I just this card that could
That's nice. That's a nice Barracuda. Very nice. I'm using my iPhone because I forgot my camera home. I got a brand new camera coming in today, too. What an idiot. Ontario. Nice GTO. Boy, that is nice. There's my buddies. He's also got a nice coupe. Almost the same color. Nice 69. Nice 37. A Bentley. 2001 Bentley, no price. Yeah, well, same model. I think the weather scared everybody off. It's going to rain. It has rained already. Got a main plate on it. Main street rod.
Make those special editions for the different frames.
And Nova. Here's Kurt and Mark's 57 on the other side of him. Yeah, Kurt's here. And that's Mark's 57. Yeah, that's Mark. He was at breakfast with us. Now we're inside street side. Sold. The better car show in here. Oh, that's nice. Cupcake snowman. A lot of cars in here. Oh, it's got a coyote in it. 91,000. Nice 57. That one's 67. Nice Model A. Nice Chevelle. 65 GTO. You can look online for the prices. I have to keep walking in and I can't read them from out here. This is Streetside in Tampa. Well, outside of Tampa. It's in Lutz. '70 GTO, Judge. Nice Firebird. That's nice. Oh, nice interior too. It's kind of hard to hold my iPhone steady. The Jag. $52,900 for this SS Camaro. Nice Camaro. 73 grand. Yeehaw. Well, my favorite wheels are on everything in here. The US mags. 67 for this 67. How you doing? Here's a rare bird. Starfire. 54 Starfire. It's 32 Highboy. Last time I was down here, all these rows were full. You couldn't walk around here. This is the truck area. Nice T-bird. Nice 57 post. How much, Ed? 65? Yeah, I know. I like that one. No, I like that truck.
This one's not too bad.
52? 32. It's got 32 for this truck.
Still too low.
Oh, nice 34 Cabriolet, a 33 Cabriolet. $56,000. Nice GTO. .383 Magnum.
89 down.
89. Might as well call it 90 grand. Corvaire's 23.
Could have bought 10 of them brand new.
Is that right? This Volkswagen's 80,000. No warranty, no nothing. As is. $55,000 for this 67. $26,000 for this 38. It's probably bone stock. 70,000 for this 57 post. It looks pretty nice. 40 grand as is on this Ford convertible. Willys. 50,000 for this Willys. 50 for this Model A. That's nice. No price on it. Boy, that's nice. 45,000. $105,000 for this convertible. $20 for this Falcon. That's different. T-Bird and a cougar. That's neat. Nice Cobra. Got the right wheels and everything. $103.
I wonder how many times I would burn my leg on that.
Oh,
Hey, Noel, what's going on? Hey, boys.
103 grand. Grand National. $56,000. Oh, it's a big block. They had, it's probably overheat. That's why.
No, but it's the light to the black tips on.
That's a nice Chevy.